Hello, I am Pankaj Sharma from PM Expert. In this video, we will learn how to identify stakeholders in projects. A stakeholder is any person, group, or organization who has an interest in the project or can be affected by its outcome. Let's break the process into 5 easy steps. Step 1 is to brainstorm internal stakeholders. These are people inside your organization or on your project team. Key internal stakeholders include the project manager, the project team, the sponsor, and resource managers. Step 2 is to brainstorm external stakeholders. These are people outside your immediate team. Important external stakeholders include customers, suppliers, government regulators, and the community. Step 3 is to use the power versus interest grid. Power means how much influence they have on the project. Interest means how much they care. This grid helps us decide how to communicate with each stakeholder group. Step 4 is to review project documents. These can reveal hidden stakeholders. Look at the project charter, contracts, and organization charts. Step 5 is to ask other stakeholders. A simple question like, "Who else should know about this?" can uncover important names early. Why is this important? If you miss a stakeholder, they can show up later and request big changes. Identifying them early avoids surprises and keeps everyone aligned. Thanks for watching. Now you have a clear, practical process for identifying stakeholders in any project.